Hey, what's up guys? I'm here with another video, and today, as you can see, I am going back to one of my original videos at mod.io. Anybody can play it, you don't even need an account. I don't think you do, at least. I mean, you can get an account, that way you can get coins like I can, but, So I'm using my account that I use in those videos, so it's still Hippos-Rua, which was my first name, but that's alright. So today, I don't know which one I want to play. I think I kind of want to play Brains. Just the original game from here, So, alrighty. There we go. Okay. New skin. Alright, click here to open real fast. Yahoo! I got 5. Oh, well, I don't have the mobile app. Whatever. Connecting. Let's get into it. Let's go. Yeah. Don't touch me. Why am I not good at it? Wait, there's no mouse, so I can just use. No. I'm so scared. I can't get through. He's got me trapped. No, please. Darn it. It's very glitchy right now. I'm not going to lie. It's kind of hard to control. Oh, it is like that. Okay, let's go. What's up, my dude? We got some live people here. Yo, this kind of sick, not gonna lie. Yo. Watch out. I got this. Watch out. You just gotta help me push, boys. Come on, boys, help me push. I'm working my way there. Come on, boys, help me push. It's kind of hard, not gonna lie. It's kind of hard. Where am I? Oh, there I am. Okay. Whee! Come on, push back. Come on, come over here. Oh, the humans one. Are you kidding me? This is dumb. It looks like they still have the Halloween update on. Kind of lame. Oh, we have an ad? What is this? Come on, get it in there. Come on. What are you doing? You're pushing in the wrong way. Like this. Oh my gosh, you guys are just terrible people. Watch out. Move. Are you fixing it or what? No? Okay. I'm gonna go hide in a tree because the trees is so I will. Oh my god, go away, no. Please don't hurt me. Alright, we're just gonna hide, right? Oh no, there's a zombie. Get out of the way. I don't wanna die. Oh my gosh. Looks like I'm juking today, boys. Oh my god, this guy is going like hacking fast. Oh my god. Alright. Dang it! Get out of the way. Look at this fat truck. I'm gonna destroy it. Look at this dude. I'm gonna get you. I'm just gonna get that guy. That guy's easy money. Did I have to go around this thing? Wait. There's dudes. What's up, my bro? Oh, you guys got it. Oh, this guy doesn't though. It's so glitchy. Man, what do you think you're gonna do with a stinking bat? It's so glitchy. He's got a swordfish. What are you doing with a swordfish? The big people are too fast for me. Get back here, get back here. Get back here. Alright, it's a new round. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Stick. Yo, my score is so low. Why am I not able to move? Oh my gosh, what is this thing? It's like a pool table. Gotta move it though. Gotta move it though. Arby's, we have the meats. Come on. Just gotta set it up perfectly. Come on. Alright, so we got that. And then bed, whatever you think. We're gonna. Yo, the zombies are back. Alright. So, well, I am in like the most unsafe place here right now. Not going to lie. I'm kind of scared. Boys, I'm kind of freaking out right now. Like, very, like, freaking out. Freaking out type thing, you know? Just freaking out, man. Why am I not up? Okay, F1. Thank you. Look at me, I'm still a human. Nobody even realizes it. Yo, we're gonna win. Wait, what was that? What the poop was up there, bro? Yo, this is getting kind of scary. I keep seeing like things fly. Ah! No, boy, no. Better stay out of here. Yo, look at me go, bro! Look at this, yeah! Alrighty, let's get back into it. New round. Baseball bat. Well, make room in my inventory. Q. No? Alright. Yes, I'm getting in with this kid. Let's go. This dude's gonna be a winner. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I'm gonna make us winners. I'm a big dude. Big dudes make other little dudes winners. We all start as little dudes, so I mean, like. Okay. Right now, how do I drop? How do I drop? Where's the chat? How do I type in the chat? Enter. Haha, I figured it out. How to drop tool. No, I'm a zombie. I don't want to be a zombie. Look at this dude. He doesn't even understand that I'm a zombie. They're all better just hide in that corner. Look at this dude. He's got like something weird in there. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. What is that? What is that? A box? I'm too fat. I'm too fat. What is this? We have to move very, very gently. Like right there would be perfect, right? Down. Let me go, let me go. Yeah, look at that, bro! It was a triple kill. Let's go. Get out of the way. What is wrong with you? Why can't I get out? Okay, let's go. My dogs are fighting by my knees. Oh, I ran into a wall. Look at that dude. That dude's got a shotgun. Shotgun bros are the best, bro. And my dog is whining. Why you gotta whine? You're such a whiny little turd. Big brains. I love big brain. Give me that big brain, boy. Give me that big brain, boy. Give me that big brain. Big brain. I want big brain. I want big brain. Give me that big brain. Give me that big brain. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Give me that big brain. Ah. This poop. Next round. Here we go. Alright, okay. We're just gonna go this way. Wait, can we buy? What can we buy? We're gonna buy a baseball bat. Baseball bats are hot as crud. Look at this thing. Where do we want to go, Cherry? I'll tell you where I want to go. Whatever you want, wherever you want to go. I'll tell you where I want. Tell me what you want. What you really want. I'll tell you what I want. What I really want. I really want to win this time. Beat the poop out of you. Let's go. Wham! Wham! Whoosh! Grand slam. Grand slam, baby girl. Yeep yeep. I swear, I'm a zombie again this round. I'm probably going to cry. Ah! So cool, man. So cool. I just paid for that baseball bat, and then I can't even get it. Can't even use it for like anything good except to set my stinking get out. Why am I glitching so bad in this game? I'm not even going that way. Thank you. Ah, I'm stuck. Someone help me. Please, someone help. Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Hey, we figured a way out. Let's go. Why am I still glitching out? It's so bad. It's so bad. Why are you so bad? I don't want to go that way. I just want to go this way again. Stop! Alright, let's go. So, what do we have to go to? I'm Red Zombie. Get out of the way, man. I am one of your bosses, punk. Red zombies are like king zombies. Get out of the way, fatso! Thank you. Shawnee boy. Okay. Push, boys, push. What in the world is that? Alright, so that was basically the end of my video, but I just want to say we made it to just over a year, so I mean, look at that. This is my channel, you know, you guys all know that. I created a playlist, Minecraft playlist, that you guys can come over here and you're like, whoopee, this is basically all my Minecraft, like, from this world that I have, except it starts from over here. So this is when I bought Minecraft, and then I go here, and here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Okay. So, yeah, I hope you guys like these videos. I don't know. Tell me what you guys want to see. I will try to play anything or watch videos, you know, anything that you want me to do. I just want you guys to like and subscribe. And I'm trying to set up a website right now. I'll have some merch coming out. I'm kind of broke, so I mean, like, find a way to get some money if you guys want some. Probably be this logo right here. You guys see I made my own logo finally, right there. And I changed my name once again to Mr. Hippo Man, something different because Mr. Hippo is like some Five Nights at Freddy's guy. But you know what I'm talking about. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching as always. and I'll see you in the next video, which probably takes like another 7 months. Bye!